Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn certain model questions, how to identify the and how to write the chemical formula of a given compound. Okay, so let us learn certain important model questions. Okay, so I just came up with certain examples which are rarely being asked in your normal IP, but mostly asked for competitive exams. Then you have to be very careful. Okay, so always I keep in view the competitive exams for children. Okay, so what I am going to give you today in this video, model questions of on the topic of what? Model questions on the topic of chemical formulae. Okay, so first question is like this: pair up the following ions and write the relevant formula of the compound. Pair up the following ions and write the relevant formula of the compound. Write the relevant formula of the compound. In that question, first question is, two ions are given, Ca plus 2 and PO4 minus 3. You have to pair up these two and you have to write the formula of the relevant formula of this compound, which is formed by the combination of these two ions. Okay, same like that you have one or two examples like this: Na plus and CO3 minus 2. You have to pair up these two and write the formula of the compound. Okay, example 3, Mg plus 2 N minus 3. Mg plus 2 and N minus 3. Okay, and example 4, Pb plus 2 Pb. Did you remember? Lead, Pb plus 2 and NO3 minus. Okay, and E, Al plus 3 and PO4 minus. Al plus 3 and PO4 minus 3. Okay, so what is the question? Did you understand the question carefully? Ca plus 2, PO4 minus 3. What you have to do? Yes, which method you have to use? Yes, crisscross method. Cross over the charges, then you will get the formula, relevant formula of the compound. Okay, so here what you have to cross over the charges. Ca charge is plus 2, it is given, and phosphate ion, PO4 means what? Phosphate. PO4 charge is given minus 3. What I said you to do? Just cross over the valencies. Cross over the charges. Here what are given to you? Charges are given. Cross over the charges, you will get the formula. Relevant formula you will get. So the formula is what? Ca3PO4 taken twice. Okay, you have to read it like that. Ca3, Ca is a simple ion. We have learnt about simple ions, compound ions in the previous video. Please go through that video. You will be getting clarity about that. So after crossing over, what you got the formula? Ca3PO4 taken twice. Okay, PO4 is a compound ion. So you have to keep the compound ions in brackets. Yes, you have to keep them in brackets, and after keeping them in brackets, the relevant crossed over charge you will be writing outside or down of that bracket you will be writing the charge. Okay, same like that what is given in question number 2 or B, Na and CO. Na charge is given +1, CO3. Did you remember what is CO3? Yes, carbonate. CO3 charge is given -2. Okay, what I said you to do? Cross over the charges to get formula, relevant formula of the compound. Okay, formula of the compound is what? After crossing, Na2. And CO3 is a what type of ion? Yes, compound ion. So CO3 has to be kept in brackets and Na2, CO3 outside 1 only. For CO3, here cross number is 1 only, +1. Irrespective of plus and minus symbols. Okay, you have to remember only the number. Okay, cross over the numbers to get the relevant formula. So formula of this compound is what? Na2CO3. Okay, this is Ca3PO4 taken twice. This is what? Name is calcium phosphate. Name of the compound is what? Calcium phosphate. Okay, now name of the compound is calcium phosphate and this is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Okay, and then Mg3 and Mg3N2 you'll be getting for this. Okay, Mg +2 nitride -3. Okay, nitride -3. After crossing, you will get the formula as what? Mg3N2, magnesium nitride. So you have to pair up the ions and make the relevant chemical formula with them. Magnesium nitride. Okay, so this is one thing. And here lead nitrate, PbNO3 taken twice. Okay, what is D-bit? D-bit is what? PbNO3 taken twice. I'll just rub this question. Okay, lead nitrate, PbNO3 taken twice. D-bit, Pb charge is given +2, nitrate charge is given -1. I said you to cross over the charges. Then it comes, the formula is like Pb1, NO3 is a compound ion, so you have to keep that in brackets, taken twice. So this name of this compound is what? Lead nitrate. Lead nitrate. Okay, same like that. Finally, fifth one is what? Al +3, PO4 -3. Okay, Al +3, PO4 is also -3 only, it is given. Okay, so both are having same magnitude of charge. Al +3, PO4 -3. Cross over the charges. So you will be getting Al3, PO4 taken thrice. Okay, Al3, PO4 taken thrice. Okay, and you are having same numbers, so you can cross over them and you will be getting 1 also. So AlPO4 also you can write. Okay, so this is one way of asking questions. Okay, and next, mention the names of the following compounds. Second question. Okay, question number 2. Mention the names of the following compounds. Compound is given and you are asked to write the name. Okay, question number 2. Mention the names of the following compounds. Mention the names of the following compounds. Okay, so what are the names? What are the compounds given to you? First one, SiC. SiC. Never heard. SiC is a compound. In chemistry, anything is possible. Yes, isn't it? Right. SiC. Na2O2. Okay, and question number 3, Bn. And question number 4, Al2SO4 taken thrice. Yes, you have to write the names of these compounds. Okay, when you are writing the names of the compounds, you have to identify the names of the elements which are present in them, isn't it? So here's SiC. First one. Si stands for what? Silicon. C stands for carbon. Only C, if it is there, you call it with one ion, name of the ion. Can you recall the name of the ion with only C? Yes, carbide. Carbide ion. C -4. Okay. Of course, there is lot much to say regarding carbon. Okay. So, silicon carbide. Okay. Silicon carbide. SiC means what? Silicon carbide. Okay, such kind of compounds are also existing. Yes. Right. And Na2O2. See children, if O2, wherever you are finding, okay, generally you will remember it as what type of ion it is? Yes, peroxide ion. Yes, recall the ions of oxygen. Oxygen exhibits so many types of ions: peroxide ions, superoxides, oxyfluorides, and even in the oxidation number rules we have learnt. Okay, all these kinds of things. So O2, if it is there, peroxide, Na2O2 is what? Sodium peroxide. Na2O2 is sodium peroxide. Okay, and then Bn. B stands for what? B is boron and N is, as previously we have learnt the example of nitride. N, only N is there, you call it as what? Nitride. NO2, nitrate. NO3, nitrate. Okay, please memorize the names of the ions. Okay, then it will become easy for you. So it is what? Boron, nitride, Bn. Boron, nitride. What, ma'am? Such kind of compounds are also existing? Yes. Okay, right. Next, fourth one you see, Al2SO4 taken thrice. Al stands for what? Yes, aluminium. How you got this formula? Aluminium valency is 3, sulfate valency is 2. Okay, Al2SO4 taken thrice. You are crossing them, then you will get the formula of the compound. Okay, if name is given, you can even write the formula of the compound. If formula is given, then even you can write the name of the compound as well. Okay, so here, what is this? This is aluminium, this is sulfate. So, aluminium sulfate. Aluminium sulfate is the name of this compound. So, you will be getting questions like this only. Okay, all easy and simple questions. Okay, so now we'll see question number 3. Write the formula of the following compounds. Compound is given. We are asked to write the formula. Write the formula of the following compounds. Okay, first one, what is given? Barium peroxide. Barium peroxide. Okay, and then barium peroxide, ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate. You have to write the formula of those compounds. Sodium aluminate. Sodium aluminate. Okay, fourth one, stannic chloride. Stannic chloride. Like this, 4 compounds were given to you. See the first one, barium peroxide. What I said you to do? You have to write the valencies of the elements and then cross over the valencies to get the relevant formula of that compound. Isn't it? So, first one, what is given? Barium. Barium symbol is Ba. Peroxide symbol is what? just now I told you it is O2. Even for sodium also peroxide symbol is O2. Okay, so first we will write the symbols, and then after writing symbols we'll write their valencies or charges. Valencies or charges we will write. Valency of barium. Barium is which group? Did you remember? Yes, second A group element. So barium charge is +2. Peroxide charge is -2. Cross over the valencies. Then formula you will be getting it as what? Ba2O2. Okay. Ba2O2. Okay now dear children. Here sodium Na2O only. Sorry. This is Na2O. Sodium oxide. Sodium valency is 1. Peroxide valency is O2. Okay. O2 -2. So Na2O you will be getting. Okay. So barium peroxide is what? Here both 2 are there. So it can be taken as what? BaO only. Both 2 same elements are there. You can take it as what? BaO. So BaO is what? Barium peroxide. Okay, even though it is peroxide, down 2 has gone away. Okay, so you have to be careful with that. Right? Next, second one, what is given? Ammonium carbonate. Ammonium symbol, did you remember? NH4 plus. Ammonium symbol is NH4 plus. Okay. Ammonium carbonate. Ammonium symbol is what? NH4 plus. Carbonate symbol CO3 -2. Symbols, charges, you will be writing them down. NH4 plus means what? Charge is +1. CO3 -2 means charge is -2. Crossover. NH4 is a compound ion. So keep it in bracket. NH4 taken twice. CO3 also compound ion. So that also you keep it in bracket and keep 1 outside. Here crossed number. What number is there? 1. Okay. So if only 1 is there, no need of keeping bracket. If more than 1 type of ions are there, you have to keep them in bracket. Okay, so what is the name of formula of ammonium carbonate? NH4 taken twice CO3. Ammonium carbonate. NH4 taken twice CO3. And then sodium aluminate. What is the name? Third one, what is given? Sodium aluminate. Okay, now sodium aluminate. Sodium symbol is what? Na. Okay, sodium symbol is what? Na. Aluminate ion AlO3 -3. Please remember this, aluminate. Sodium ion Na plus ion. Aluminate ion AlO3 -3. It's a compound ion, so you will be keeping that in bracket. Okay, parenthesis or bracket, anything you can call, right? So charge here is +1, charge here is -3. Irrespective of the symbols, irrespective of the sign, plus or minus, cross over the charges, you will get the relevant formula of the compound. So what is the formula of sodium aluminate? Na3. Sodium cross number is what? 3. Aluminate cross number is 1. AlO3 one time. Na3AlO3 is a relevant formula of what? Sodium aluminate. Na3AlO3. Ternary compound. 3 elements are there. Okay, it's a ternary compound. right? And next, fourth one, what is given? Stannic chloride. Stannum, did you remember? Stannum, stannic chloride. Okay, stannic, charge is what? Sn, symbol is Sn, charge is +4. Please remember, stannous is there, stannic is there. SnCl2, SnCl4. For tin, this is what? Stannum means what? Tin. Tin have variable valencies 2 and 4. Okay, what are variable valencies? This also you can watch in my previous videos. Follow the playlist properly, then you will be understanding the whole concept with clear-cut examples. Okay, right. So stannic, ic stands for compound with more valency. Okay, now element with more valency, you will give the suffix ic. Element with less valency, you will get the suffix as. Stannous, stannic. Stannic it is given here. So more valency charged ion you have to consider. So Sn+4 is stannic, Sn+2 is stannous. Okay, so don't get confused with it. Here he asked about what? Stannic chloride. So take Sn+4. Okay, then chloride, Cl minus. Okay, cross over the valencies or charges. You will get the relevant formula, SnCl4. Okay, now relevant formula of the compound is what? SnCl4. Here, sodium aluminate Na3Al O3. Okay, so like this you will be having certain model questions will be there for writing the chemical formula of a compound. Without any confusion, if you memorize the formulas of ions, okay, memorize the formulas of ions, all types of ions. You can watch my previous video. Most of the important ions which comes for competitive exams I already covered. Okay, so you can watch the video and you can please kindly subscribe to my channel. Okay, happy learning. Thanks for learning. Thanks for watching. Your hard work is your superpower. Okay, bye.